Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 7th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on gold, I mean, we did have FOMC interest rate news today for the US. Didn't really do a whole heck of a lot to gold. I think there's a chance that this is actually going to end up being like an ABC correction. So, definitely keep an eye out for a long, especially if you get like a 38% fib bounce. Gold likes to do like expanding and running and flats and things like that. So, don't be surprised if it does like one, two, three up like this and then goes down to grab the Fibonacci and then continues the uptrend. Either way, whether it's just going to go down and grab a fib and go up, or whether it makes more of a complex correction like this, I think overall we are definitely very likely to go up on the higher time frames. Because if we zoom out a little bit, I still think that the most likely target after this pullback is still at least a 278, 261.8, someplace around the $3,500 area. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.